Hello everyone, last video I have explained the 32-channel power distribution box with energy meter and work with the Home Assistant and the hardware details diagram. And in this video I will introduce you the software solution that use Kinkonese firmware and Kinkonese software. Okay, let's look at what software will support and how it works. Let's look at our software solution. You can see this is 32-channel output, and this is the A32 Pro relay controller, mainly control for this DC contact, and this is a brick, and this M30, that is energy meter. And the first, you can download the KCS firmware from our Kinkonese web page. And after download the Kinkonese KCS firmware, you can see this is the web page that you can visit IP address directly. Where you can find this IP address, you can see the A32 Pro that will have a display, LCD display. You can see that have shared the TUYA state that is online, and the Ethernet IP address and the Wi-Fi IP address. And you can see that is Ethernet IP address at the second line. And you can see this is 3.16. So we can import this IP address. You can see at this web browser, and maybe you can use a mobile phone, or maybe you can use a computer, just a web browser, and log it so that you can see many different information at here in index homepage, and the input setting and the output setting, and for interlock and out of, and this is for RF. Maybe you will use RF receiver module, and for remote control by RF, and this is sensor, and this is monitor. And you can see what protocol you have enabled. You can see we have connected with the TUYA, and we have enabled the TCP server, and also we can support the MQTT and HTTP and the UDP. So you can see all the state showed by this web page. You can see if I can turn on this one and this one, you can see the red LED. And you can see that you can create FTD command for FTD automation that is working locally, and the network setting. And if you have 4G module version, so you can use the SMS and the notification and the voice call. So this is very powerful. And also you can see this is a protocol and the general protocol. Maybe you can enable the MQTT. You can see HTTP and the TCP and the UDP. And this support RS-485 Modbus. So this you can use this monitor and to control this all channel output and monitor input without software, any software. So just use our web browser. This is the first software solution. And the second, you can see our controller is support this TUYA. So you can use TUYA mobile phone to remote control by internet. So you can see here, this is the TUYA, or you can use the Smart Life. And open this application. And you can see this A32 Pro. And you will find that have showed 32-channel switch. And this is digital input, 4-channel digital input switch, monitor the sensor state. And this is dimmer, 2-channel dimmer. Maybe you have connected with your dimmer, so there I have two-channel dimmer. And you can see if I can turn on relay 1, this relay 1 is on, and this relay 1 is off. So this is used by the TUYA mobile phone application. This is remote control by internet. You can go to anywhere, just have the network. Okay, we close this software. And if you want use in local network, you can see you can use Kinkonese KBox Smart, because that work in local network. If your internet is broken, you can see it's also very easy, just controlled by the local network. So you can see I can click this channel 1, on, off. So just to make sure you have enabled this TCP server generator, and at here, because we have enabled this TCP server, so I just add this IP address and the port in this KBox application. So you can see at here, and this device, and you will see this is IP address and the port. You can see 4196 and this one is 4196. So very easy, just use IP and the port, you can add this device to KBox application. Okay, this is second. And the next, if you want use your PC compute to control this smart DB, you can use our PC software, and you can see that have a multi-board control for Windows PC. So just download this software, and here you can see that have also add this device by IP address and the port. So you can see I can connect with it, click connect, and I can click on and click off. You can see on and off. So this can controlled by the PC software. So at here you can add many different smart DB. Maybe you first floor have 1 DB, and the second floor have second DB, and the third floor have a third DB. So you just use this add and import this IP address and the port, and choose this relay board. For example, I can set one IP address, and you can click add device. So you can see this is second device at here. So you can click which one to control, this one or this one. So it's very easy. You can list all different DB, different control at here. So you just click and at the right window, so that you can control this corresponding DB. And also you can see I can close, disconnect it, and use your right button of mouse. You can see I can change the name, such as light 1, light 2, and click or touch mode, and the relay is on and off icon. You also can change by yourself, just is a PNG file. You can add click this one, choose this one. You can design this your icon at here. So just you can change anything. Okay, this is the PC software. So you can see there are so many different solutions for Home Assistant, and if you work in locally, you can use our KBox mobile phone application, also support Android phone and iPhone iOS application. And even if without any software, you just use the web browser to use this smart TV. So also, if you want to write your own Arduino source code, you can download by this USB port that will support MicroPython or Arduino IDE or ESP IDF development tools to write your program code. If you don't want to write a program code, you just direct it to you, such as you use Tuya mobile phone. And also we support the Alexa Speak and Google Home Speak, because you have used this Tuya mobile phone, so that will link your account to Alexa and Google Home account. So that will be used for voice control. Okay, this is the whole system, the software and hardware. If you want to understand the hardware, you can see our last video. We have explained many details of this diagram. Okay, thanks for watching.